Hi everyone. It is day 2 of Scarves Week. Yay! And today I decided to show you guys how to use an infinity scarf. So yeah, it's an infinity scarf. It's a big circle. You can, tie it as many times as you want around your neck. Some of them are cotton like this, but you can also get like shorter ones that are, like the plaids, the warmer like wool ones, and those are really made more for going under like a jacket to keep your neck super, super warm. Cotton ones are great to wear in all weathers, really. And today I am wearing it with my fall overalls outfit. I love this outfit so much, and this scarf just is perfect with it. So I am loving this. So there are a couple different ways you can use infinity scarves depending on the length. This one's a fairly long one, and it's double-sided, so it's super cute. Double-sided, so you get to see two different sides. Gives it some, a little extra. And so some people like to wear their infinity scarves just down by themselves, just straight down, super cute, just, a long line down the front. Many people tend to go more for the double, where it's not as tight to the neck, but it's still, super cute. You can pull it, zhuzh it up a bit or whatever, but yeah, so there's the, just the one loop for the most part. And then another way is, I'm going to take it off and do it again because it's harder to do it. So there's you can do it a third time too, or twice, so you keep it nice and tight on your neck. And one more time. This one is for a much warmer, if you're really chilly around the neck and you need some warmth on your neck. Looks good again, looks great underneath a jacket. So it's just poking right out there. And then it keeps you nice and warm on your chest and your neck. So that is infinity scarves. And again, they're like the simplest of all scarves because yes, they are one whole piece that is connected, so you don't have to worry about the ends flopping around or coming out in ways that you don't want them to if you've tucked them in somewhere. So yeah, the most simple and pretty classic look. So have a good rest of your day. Style challenge, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments or DM me. And if there's a particular scarf that you are looking for that you'd love to see, then send me a message and I will see what I can do. Also, there's one more thing. So a YouTube viewer had mentioned to me, she commented for me that she'd love to see how scarves can be worn as like gaiters, or if you don't have a mask, if you can use your scarf. So in this case with the infinity, you would go for that three loop and just take a little bit, put it on top, and you're just going to want to tuck it back. You're just going to want to make it tighter around the rest of your neck so that it stays really tight to your face. And this does, if you look, it's staying right against my face. And as long as it's up high enough on my nose, it won't really fall down. So you can use scarves in case of emergency if you have, or if you've lost your mask, or, I usually end up going out and forgetting that my masks are in the wash. So now that the scarf season is around, you have another way of doing it. Ka-ching, ka-ching. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more scarves. Bye.